Sorry guys, it's been a while since I've been back at this. Work's slowing down now, it's been fucking crazy. For the next, probably till we finish this bike, every week or two, we're gonna start sending videos out, showing the progress right to the end. I went through about 6 or 7 different sets of LED lights, trying to find the right kind. I had to do a lot of filing to make these ones fit, but I'll give you a good look at what it looks like lit up. Nice and bright, 3000 lumens. It's got a high and low beam. I think this is the one right here. So all that's going to be left is just I got to finish up a little bit of the wiring. That'll be it. Probably after the new year, they will be for sale. In between finishing the bike, all the videos, I'll be doing a couple videos. I got to do a custom set of handlebars. I'll make sure I film them. This is what I'm going to work on next. Check this out. This is crazy. This is a custom center stand kickstand. All handmade, removable brass knuckles. Filed all the gears inside. Everything is handmade. This is the center section right here that'll hold the 2 kickstands that go to the ground. Engraved skull heads. It'll have a release button. It's built right inside. Again, guys, sorry that it's been a while, but I'll start getting the videos out to you faster. We'll get this thing all wrapped up and finished up and see what it looks like in the end.